Welcome back to Car Flair. The 2025 Honda Motorhome Camper Truck is here, redefining the adventure vehicle market with innovation and practicality. Honda has combined the reliability of its trucks with the versatility of a motorhome, making this camper truck a standout choice for those who crave the open road. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle so special. At its core, the 2025 Honda Motorhome Camper Truck is built on the foundation of Honda's proven truck platform, ensuring durability and performance. The exterior design is sleek yet rugged, featuring bold lines, a sturdy grille, and high ground clearance for off-road adventures. Honda has also included all-terrain tires and a reinforced chassis, making it equally at home on highways and dirt trails. One of the biggest highlights is the integrated camper module. Unlike traditional add-ons, Honda has designed this motorhome as a seamless part of the truck. The camper section features a lightweight yet durable composite material, ensuring fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength. It expands into a spacious living area, complete with a pop-up roof for additional headroom and panoramic windows that let you enjoy breathtaking views wherever you park. Inside, the camper is a masterpiece of functionality and comfort. The interior is designed to maximize space with modular seating that converts into a cozy sleeping area for up to 4 people. You'll also find a compact kitchenette equipped with an induction stove, a sink, and a small refrigerator, perfect for preparing meals on the go. There's even a wet bath with a shower and toilet, a rare feature in vehicles of this size. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the smart home integration in the camper. A digital control panel allows you to manage lighting, climate, and appliances with ease. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, keeping your devices powered even off-grid. Plus, with Honda's advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, you'll feel secure on every journey. Under the hood, Honda offers 2 engine options, a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain and a robust V6 for those who need extra towing capacity. Both options deliver smooth performance and impressive fuel economy, even when hauling gear or navigating steep terrain. And for eco-conscious travelers, there's even an all-electric version in the works. Storage is another area where the 2025 Honda Motorhome Camper Truck shines. With clever compartments throughout the cabin and camper, you'll have plenty of space for all your essentials. Honda has also added a rear cargo deck, perfect for bikes, kayaks, or other adventure gear. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, the 2025 Honda Motorhome Camper Truck offers the perfect blend of comfort, capability, and innovation. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to endless adventures. Thanks for watching Car Flair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars and innovations. See you in the next video.